Welcome to VOLTER, where aluminium meets precision. Today, you'll see how the VOLTER L-Series router processes a 10mm aluminium sheet with power, speed, and control. It starts with calibration. The built-in probe sensor automatically detects the tool's exact length. This ensures the correct Z-depth for the entire job, protecting the table surface and improving accuracy from the first pass. Once the spindle is calibrated, we align the workpiece. The machine mills one edge of the sheet, creating a perfectly straight reference line. This is critical for accurate toolpath registration, especially when working with large format aluminium stock. Next, the router moves into the core operation, cutting a large circular pocket in the center. Using a high-speed HITECO spindle at 24,000 revolutions per minute, the end mill cuts through the material cleanly and efficiently. Thanks to precision servo drives and helical racks, every movement is smooth, with no chatter, no deviation, and no secondary finishing required. After full-depth cutting, we proceed with shallow profiling. The spindle traces the outer geometry of the part, but only partially, creating a defined outline without releasing the part from the base sheet. This keeps the workpiece stable for upcoming tool changes and fine operations. Now, the tool performs a marking pass, shallow circular movements that define positions for threaded holes. It's fast, repeatable, and 100% controlled by the digital toolpath. No manual layout needed. Throughout the process, the aluminium sheet is held firmly in place by a high-performance vacuum table. Zoned control ensures maximum hold with minimal air consumption, regardless of part size or layout. This is what the VOLTER L-Series is made for. Complex sheet machining, reliable operation, high-quality output, job after job, shift after shift. Whether you're producing structural panels, enclosures, or high-precision parts, VOLTER gives you the tools to work smarter and finish stronger. Engineered for performance, trusted across industries, made to last. VOLTER, made in Europe, built for results. More information about VOLTER CNC routers you can find on our website, volter.com.